First, the top news headlines. Already dissolved mayor, chairpersons and councillors of urban local bodies will now continue as caretakers till issuance of election notification. Many condemn cluttering of tower at Cherauching Ecotourism Park in Imphal. Masses urge to maintain proper disposal of waste. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren flags off youth team visiting Punjab under Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat Yuva Sangam. Holding mere general academic degrees without adopting skilling training can be termed as being uneducated, as they will be unfit in this competitive era, says Lakisan Ngamsakasu. And leaders including Chief Minister and Biren send warmest greetings to people on occasion of Yaksung Festival beginning tomorrow in Manipur. A very good evening. You are watching IS Prime Time English News. Before we begin, IS News would like to remind our viewers to practice physical distancing, hand hygiene, wear masks, protect yourself and get vaccinated to ward off COVID-19. This is SURAJ Khongban Tabang giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Already dissolved mayor, chairpersons and councillors of the concerned urban local bodies will now continue as caretakers till the issuance of the notification of the elections to urban local bodies by the State Election Commission. Notably, mayor, chairperson and councillors of the previous terms, councils of the urban local bodies including Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC were dissolved after completion of terms of 5 years. Now they will continue as caretakers. In this regard, Mahut Under Secretary Thangkholun Kipgen issued an order. The tower at Cherauching Ecotourism Park in Imphal, one of the prime places for tourists, was found cluttered today, prompting many to condemn the act. Reports suggested that some miscreants were trying to botch the government efforts to boost the ecotourism sector. It may be mentioned that with an aim to give public leisure space and attract tourists, Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurated the ecotourism project with a view tower at Cherauching in Imphal West on February 2021. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for Cherauching Ecotourism project worth 15 crore rupees during his visit to the state in March 2018. Amidst the state government's unwavering effort to boost Manipur's tourism sector, many people are apparently still unaware of the detrimental effects of littering without any regard for the environment or the tourist spots. Many have appealed to the masses to maintain proper disposal of waste and become mindful of the environmental impact of improper garbage disposal. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren flag off a youth team visiting Punjab under Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat Yuva Sangam initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi today. The flag off event was held at the Chief Minister's Secretariat in Imphal. Chief Minister N. Biren at the event said that under the Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat Yuva Sangam program, the youths and students have been given the opportunity to explore each other's cultures, traditions and lifestyles, adding that in doing so will ultimately strengthen the unity through interaction and mutual understanding among diverse peoples of the country. Manipur University organized a tour as part of the exposure visit of youth. The team will tour across Punjab till March 12th. The team comprises of 30 students and 3 teachers from various colleges across the state.
Communication ke wat pagi mong the Delhi, the Maharashtra, Bombay, the any mainland parts of India, the koi Norisi, sak khang da bagum, khang bagum, the humiliation tawi, discrimination tawi, so many things. Adu ma mayam the urakan the India ki manung the lady ba praja khudimak se ek Bharat ses Bharat hai na koi amatani hai bagi da koi team sarga interaction tawno bani se Manipur University
in this competitive era. He was speaking during a one-day state-level awareness on apprenticeship held at Hotel Classic Grand in Chingmairong today. The program was organized by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship in collaboration with the Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industry (MCCI). Lucky Sen stressed the need of skilling up or reskilling as well as changing the approach and attitude towards life to be a successful person. He mentioned that in the general view, India is predicted to have a bright future where the youth consisted of a huge chunk of its population. He asserted that, however, considering the percentage of its skilled people consisting of 5%, the fate of the country is in a very sorry state, adding that the percentage might be even lower in Manipur, which has a literacy percent almost 80%. Highlighting objective of the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme (NAPS), which aims at promoting apprenticeship in the country by providing financial incentives, technology and advocacy support, he said that the scheme provides a sharing of 25% of prescribed stipend of Rs 1,500 per month per apprentice, adding that it also provides a sharing of basic training cost up to a maximum of Rs 7,500 per apprentice. He also noted that Manipur lags in approaching the far-off great places in aspects of any awareness and appealed to the ministry representatives to take the awareness on schemes like NAPS with a mission mode so that it reaches out to the last mile.
In science subjects, all of you might have come across, there are laws and principles, but they say within given standard environment, everything remaining constant, E is equal to, for example, MC square, something like that. But the real life is different. Pressure may change, temperature may change, something like that. So when Dr. Dhavali was mentioning, for example, hospitality sector, you were taught how to give food, this and that, but you never know what kind of customer it will be. That person can be very rude, unpolished, but our theoretical knowledge may not be able to tackle those kind of issues. So therefore this apprenticeship comes in as a very important factor.
Taking part in the event, MCCI President THAA pointed out that nearly 8 lakhs educated youth in the state are facing an employment problem due to lack of skill training. He said that, on the other hand, white-collar jobs in the state are very limited for solving the issue of unemployment, adding the only ultimate solution to unemployment is self-employment. He emphasized the importance of skill training and apprenticeship for self-employment. Dhavali said, in short, apprenticeship is the last step for an individual in preparing to become an employable person in the present era. He also stressed the need of conducting apprenticeship in every firm or company which has more than 30 employees. Regional Director of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship S. Mathivanan and Deputy Director General of DZT MSDE Sunil Kumar Gupta attended the program.
Apprenticeship is mandatory, and that should be from percentage from 2.5 to 15% annually. There should be apprenticeship in that organization. If the employee number is from 4 to 29, it's optional. We can go for apprenticeship or not. That is optional. And if the employee number is less than 3, say 3 employees, then it's not necessary to go for apprenticeship. So any organization here, we have all the leading persons from industries. If you have employees above 30, then this apprenticeship, providing our facilities of apprenticeship is mandatory. And that can be in the capacity of 2.5 to 15%.
Wishes pour in from state leaders, politicians and eminent personalities for the people of the state on the occasion of the auspicious Yausang Festival 2023. Manipur Chief Minister and Biren extended best wishes to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Yausang. In his message, Biren stated that the festival of Yausang is celebrated with joy and affection through colors, Holika and Thabal Chongba. For many decades now, sports events mark the 5-day-long festival, marking a shift in generational thought. He said, may the colors of Yausang bring all shades of happiness in the lives of each one of us. Speaker Thoktom Satyabrata extended heartiest greetings to the people on the occasion of Yausang Festival. The speaker in his greetings said, Yausang is a great festival of the Hindus where people in all walks of life enjoy celebrating. He said that Yausang is a festival symbolizing merriment and joy in life, which starts on the full moon day, celebrating on the onset of spring season. He urged the people of the state to cherish the festival with peace and tranquility. Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan also greeted the people on the occasion of Yausang. Holy festival, which is celebrated on the full moon day of March, that is Lamda Purnima, has a cultural significance among various Hindu traditions of the Indian subcontinent, the minister stated in his message. May this year's holy festival bring happiness, prosperity, peace, brotherhood and unity amongst communities in Manipur, it said. Mahud Minister Yumnam Khemchan also greeted the people of this state on the occasion of Yausang festival. The minister in his message said that holy festival, also known as the festival of colors, is mainly celebrated by followers of Hinduism. He wished that the festival bring more sense of love and brotherhood and prosperity in the state. K. Sarat Kumar Singh, chairperson of Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board, also extended warm wishes to the people on the occasion of Yausang or Holi, the festival colors. The Yausang festival is celebrated for 5 days in Manipur.
Machuk kumai Yausangna lakada kasantagi matamda manungairaba anda sida kugi lening laisam duluina pangkokadoliba sumba machuk kumai Yausang sida marteleiba arat nasipunama duluina Manipur lebiru rapunam kimapinda yaki magedigi epe powdal pijabagalwena imutam sangna kugi leba irundam sida yamna ingna takna tangdu leitana leiba pangan biu hadna sulima punta kurumdari dugalwena praja punam kimpamda yaki magedigi sigumba kumai sinala pada punam ki yaipa ngul pinabiu hadni sul kurumjagalwena maya punam yaki magedigi su epe powdal sipijari.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren inaugurated floodlights at Luang Pokpa Cricket Ground in Luang Pokpa Multi-Sports Complex, Luang Sangbam. The inauguration program was jointly organized by the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur and Manipur Cricket Association yesterday. Speaking at the event, Biren Singh said that the inauguration of floodlights at Luang Pokpa Cricket Ground is a historic moment for the state. He recalled the journey of development of the ground and evoked the days when he was serving as the president of Manipur Cricket Association. He expressed happiness over the Manipur cricket team getting qualified to the Ranji Trophy Elite Group. He further informed that 45 crore rupees has been allocated to further develop the ground to international level. Stating that Manipur has been endowed with scenic beauty, he sought support of the masses to take the state to a new height. The Chief Minister informed that the state government would develop a lakefront cricket stadium near the Loktak Lake. He added that land for the proposed stadium has been identified. The Chief Minister also welcomed Indian cricketers Mohammad Kaif and Amit Mishra to the state. Biren also opened RK J. Chandra Singh Manipur Premier League T20 trophy for the season 2022-2023 on the occasion. Taking part in the event, Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Govindas Konthagzam said that the state government, under the able leadership of Chief Minister and Biren, is leaving no stone unturned in promoting games and sports by developing various sports infrastructures in each district of the state. He informed that a multi-purpose indoor hall will be constructed at the southern side of the Luang Pokpa Cricket Ground soon. Govindas was hopeful that Manipur will be able to have a new phase in the field of games and sports within a few years' time. An exhibition T20 match was also played between Manipur 11 and NEC-DC 11 as part of the event. President of Manipur Cricket Association Rajkumar Imo, Rajya Sabha MP Sana Jobale Semba, former Union Minister Thanauzam Chauba, ministers, MLAs and officials of Youth Affairs and Sports Department took part in the event.
Manipur also floodlight handle stadium ahum nile. Ojeng atop cricket ki oiba leiba importance cricket shana basina ko players in masa su hinjana bugi adu lambi masu hoy. Anu cricket ki develop tawna ko dangte koi Loktak ki maya da lakefront stadium ama ai marup Govindas na magi lamzu already leire ai aduna madai da sungsoi soi na madugi lakefront stadium ama Loktak ki manakta thana na ba madu mai koi soi na tawrogani haidana madu mangala khoksage aduna koi yamna peace soina lungsina na akoi masel.
The state government is draining the economy of Manipur by ways of handing the contract works of the Water Resource Department to outside-based companies instead of awarding the contract to the local contractors, alleged the Water Resources Department Contractors Association WRDCA. Protesting such an act of the government, the members of WRDCA today staged a sit-in in front of the Water Resource Department office at Khoyathong in Imphal West, demanding the government to provide contract works to the local contractors instead of giving it to outside firms. Speaking to media, WRDCA President T.H. Devendra claimed that most of the local contractors have been sidelined on excuses of not fulfilling the criteria, and the contracts have been given to outside companies, BIPL, Keystone and others. He said as a consequence, the local contractors along with the workforces, which include local laborers and engineers, are facing hard times in running their families. He informed that projects such as Thobal Dam, Khuga Dam, Dolaithabi Dam, Singda Dam were built by local contractors. Admitting that the local contractor faced shortages of machineries in the past, he said now the local contractors are well equipped with adequate number of machineries. Alleging that there is biasness among the local contractors and outside companies in the billing process, he pointed out that outside-based companies get a 20% advance payment, while the local contractors frequently wait for 3-4 years to get the payment. Awarding of contract to outside companies may bring infrastructure development in the state. However, in other aspects, the economy of the state is draining away, said Devendra.
Local contractor की मखादा थमक सुजे रिबे सिंह से मकोई हौजिक अदुके मतिक सेननि रोमदे अदुके फिल्म सोखरे हौजिक मणिपुर दा हौजिक लाइबा कुमै हराउ यावसंग लाखो मतमदा बाजार मनुंग मी तिंगरे लोकल contractor सिंह की पेमेंट दोक दबनि लेबर सिंह पैसा फंगरे कथेन माबी सिंह पोट सितरे नमक सिंह से लेइवा लेगाना अमतक मुन्न खंदा बिरगा कोई contractor association मयामना मपानी कंपनी दा एना पुमिंग जंगी से संबी गनो कोई लोकल contractor सेवसी मणिपुर की सब थोरंग तोबो मतमदा कोई लोकल की contractor सिंहना सोबो प्रायोरिटी पिबियु हाइदुना ngasi ga zulo dana बिफोसे अपांगोसो.
People fondly remembered former Minister Fairuzam Parijat on his 8th death anniversary today. Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council L. Thoiren and Secretary L. Sotin Kumar led the people in paying tributes to the late minister at his memorial located at Irabot Complex in Chalo, Imphal East District today. Many also held Parijat for his contribution for the welfare of the state. Paying rich tributes to the Indian Army veterans, Veer Narees and widows, the Red Seal Division of Spear Corps organized a mega ex-serviceman ESM rally at Korengai today. The ESM rally was conducted for the first time post-COVID outbreak for all the districts of the state. It witnessed massive turnout of more than 1,200 and 250 Veer Narees and widows. Taking part in the event, Chief Minister Nongthomen Biren thanked the ex-servicemen for their contributions in nation building. He lauded the valorous Indian Army veterans, Veer Narees and widows of service personnel from Manipur, stating that they have shouldered the responsibility and given many sacrifices for protecting the sovereignty and integrity of the nation. He also informed the audience about various welfare schemes for ESM undertaken by the state government, adding that one such initiative is enhancement of cash rewards to gallantry medal awardees and infrastructure development projects of Rajya Sainik boards. Biren also felicitated the war widows gallantry medal awardees on the occasion. The Chief Minister also led the people in paying homage to the brave hearts of Manipur who had laid down their lives in the line of duty. The rally was also attended by senior veterans including Lieutenant General Alan Singh, Major General Dinesh Sharma and many ex-servicemen. On the occasion, grievance cells from Principal Controller of Defence Accounts, Pensions, Record Offices of various regiments and services, SPARS and Subhigya cell were set up to ascertain and resolve the issues faced by the veterans and their families. Information Stores of Army Recruitment Office, ECHS Polyclinic, Director General of Resettlement Skill Development and Social Welfare Department, Government of Manipur, RSB and ZSB, Urchelo, SBI, Axis, ICICI, PNB and HDFC banks were also established at the rally site. A special medical camp organized with various specialists at the rally site provided on-the-spot medical care and consultancy to over 1,000 veterans and war widows. Well, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back with latest news and updates.
Ana layengi office ki thabak amadi koiba chatpada India ki konung New Delhi da laifam leitabaki awaba koklagani. Delhi airport kayam naknana leiriba Mahipalpur da Manipur miyam ki damakta leizare Hotel Ambrosia. Laifam gi oina lupa lising amadagi hauraga pung kunmari pickup amadi drop ki taxi service laigani. Restaurant service ka loinana tongan ba khudong chaba kaya phangbigani. Vishal Mega Mart, Ambience Mall, DLF Mall amadi irap laptana nungairaba mafam kaya yobada khudong charaba mafam amani. Ngasi ma contact tawbirau Hotel Ambrosia A217 Road number 6 Mahipalpur. Phone number 9643504777.
Welcome back. After the break, you're watching as Primetime English News. The Menglong Battalion of Assam Rifles, under the aegis of Headquarters 22 Sector Assam Rifles IGR East, is organizing a pre-recruitment training at Tamer COB for male candidates to train them for upcoming recruitment rallies for Agniveer, Indian Army and Assam Rifles. The training camp kick off today and will be held till March 18. The event aims to empower the local youth to ensure enrollment from far-flung areas of Tamai subdivision to guide and prepare potential candidates to clear various tests conducted as part of recruitment drives of Indian Army and Assam Rifles. The candidates attending the training capsule shall also be awarded with prizes for meritorious performances and participation certificates upon completion of the training. Officiating Commandant 44 Assam Rifles during the opening address highlighted the pivotal role of young minds in shaping the society and how the training will benefit the youth in future. He also spoke about the importance of education and physical training, which will thereby assist in molding character and ensuring well-being of future generations. He also thanked all those taking part in the camp. Manik Shah is set to continue as Tripura Chief Minister even as a section of the newly elected legislatures were in favor of his replacement by Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Pratima Bhomik, who has won as an MLA. The meeting of the BJP legislature party that was held this evening has unanimously elected Dr. Manik Shah as the leader of the House and to continue as the 11th Chief Minister of Tripura. The announcement was followed by the meeting of all the newly elected MLAs at the party's election office. The meeting was chaired by BJP State President Rajiv Bhattacharya, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah, Union Minister of State Pratima Bhomik, MP Rebati Tripura Any BJP Coordinator Sambit Patra, and Minister of Transport, Excise and Fisheries of Assam Parimal Suklavedya. The Chief Minister will meet the Governor of Tripura, Satyadeo Narayan Arya, to stake a claim for the formation of the new government. Dr. Shah and his new cabinet will be sworn in on March 8 next during a grand event at Swami Vivekananda Maidan. Meanwhile, in the past 24 hours, Manipur reported 0 coronavirus cases, according to the latest updates from the Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room. Altogether, 136 samples were collected in the same hours, which returned negative for the virus. The case tally remains static at 139,924, while the death toll also remains static at 2,149. India reported 281 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. The new infections took the country's total cash load to over 4.46 crore, while active coronavirus cash load has increased to 2,901. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the death toll stands at 5,30,775 with no new deaths in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, the number of people who have recuperated from the disease has gone up to 4,41,54,425 with 219 recoveries in the last 24 hours. The country's recovery rate stands still at 98.81%. Over 220.64 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Top 3 states contributing maximum number of COVID-19 cases to India's daily are Maharashtra, Kerala and Karnataka. Meanwhile, in the Northeast India, Assam has the highest number of active cases, followed by Mizoram and Meghalaya. COVID-19 has infected over 68 crore and 6 lakh, while more than 68 lakh 5,000 have succumbed to the dreaded coronavirus, and recoveries are above 65 crore and 35 lakh. Globally, United States of America has the highest COVID-19 cases, followed by India and France. Let's now have the sports news. In football, Liverpool were given a glorious glimpse of a bright future at Anfield as Manchester United were ruthlessly crushed by 7-0 to match their heaviest ever competitive defeat. Roberto Firmino came off the bench to inflict the final wound on a Bellingham United, who had lost just once in their previous 22 games. But in the week, it was reported the Brazilian will leave Liverpool at the end of the season. The Reds' new-look front three finally clicked as Cody Gakpo, Darwin Núñez and Mohamed Salah all scored twice. Only a week after winning the League Cup, United experienced its biggest defeat in the Premier League and the club's joint worst loss in all competitions. United has lost by 7-0 on 3 previous occasions, the last time coming in 1931 against Wolverhampton. This score also eclipsed Liverpool's previous best victory against United, which was a 7-1 win in 1895. In cricket, in Women's Premier League WPL, Mumbai Indians will meet Royal Challengers Bangalore at Brabourne Stadium, Mumbai. The match will be held tonight at 7:30. Last night, UP Warriors defeated Gujarat Giants by 3 wickets at Dr. D.Y. Patil Stadium in Navi Mumbai. Chasing a victory target of 170 runs set by Gujarat Giants, UP Warriors scored 175 for 7 in 19.5 overs. In another match yesterday, Delhi Capitals DC defeated Royal Challengers Bangalore RCB by 60 runs at Brabourne Stadium, Mumbai. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Already dissolved mayor, chairpersons and councillors of urban local bodies will now continue as caretakers till issuance of election notification. Many condemn cluttering of tower at Cherauching Ecotourism Park in Imphal. Masses urged to maintain proper disposal of waste. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren flags off youth team visiting Punjab under Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat Yuva Sangam. Holding mere general academic degrees without adopting skilling training can be termed as being uneducated, as they will be unfit in this competitive era, says Lucky San Ngamsa Kasung. Leaders, including Chief Minister and Biren, send warmest greetings to people on occasion of Yausang Festival beginning tomorrow in Manipur. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching IS News and good night.